Welcome to our tutorial on how to reset global encryption strength and clear errors in Dell Data Domain. After upgrading the Data Domain operating system, you may encounter a security alert indicating that the default authentication mode for DD Boost clients does not provide over-the-wire encryption. This alert is raised if DD Boost encryption strength was set to none in the previous DDoS release. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to reset the encryption strength and clear the error using the CLI and a graphical user interface of the Data Domain System Manager. Log in to the DD system via SSH. First, use Alerts Show Current to identify the alert you want to clear. As an example, we choose the last one, ID M0905. Clear the alert manually using the command alerts clear alert ID followed by the ID we identified. Next, set the global encryption strength to medium or high using the following syntax. DD Boost option set, global authentication mode none, global encryption strength medium. If you need to reset the global authentication mode and encryption strength to none, use the command DD Boost option set global authentication mode none, global encryption strength none. Now let's go through the steps using the Data Domain System Manager UI. Log in to the Data Domain System Manager, navigate to Protocols, then DD Boost. Click More Tasks in the upper right corner and select Set Options. Under Security, choose the encryption strength to medium or high and click OK. To clear the alert, go to Health, then Alert, select the alert and click Clear. To reset the global authentication mode back to none, go to Protocols, then DD Boost, click Configure next to the global authentication mode, select None and click OK. This will reset both global authentication mode and encryption strength to none. Please note, keeping the current global encryption setting may trigger a reminder alert, but DD Boost operations will continue successfully. Setting encryption to medium or high may impact Boost I/O performance. If over-the-wire encryption is required, adjust the setting accordingly. If you are using Avamar integrated data protection appliance with session security settings enabled, you can safely disregard this alert. Avamar already encrypts the data, so there's no need to use DD Boost encryption. In this case, you can just clear the alert as described before. Thank you for watching.